In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see recently viewed pins on Pinterest. If you've ever found an amazing pin and then lost it because you forgot to save it, this feature is going to help you a lot. I'll walk you through exactly where Pinterest hides your recently viewed pins and how you can use that page to manage and refine what you see on your home feed. First, open Pinterest and make sure you're logged into your account. You can do this on a computer using a web browser. Once you're in, you should land on your Pinterest home feed. This is the main page with all the recommended pins. If you use Pinterest for business, you might instead see your business hub, and that's perfectly fine. Either way, you can start from there. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile. This is usually a small circle showing your profile picture or your initials. Clicking this will open a menu related to your account. In that menu, you'll see a drop-down arrow or caret next to your profile name. Go ahead and click on that drop-down. This reveals more account options and is where Pinterest keeps your main settings and tools. From this expanded menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your Pinterest account. Give it a moment to load if your connection is a bit slow. Your settings page is where you control things like privacy, notifications, and how Pinterest tailors your feed. Once you're in settings, look for an option called Refine Your Recommendations and click on it. This section is all about helping Pinterest understand what you like, what you don't like, and how it should customize the pins you see. Inside Refine Your Recommendations, you'll find a section where Pinterest shows you pins you've recently viewed. This is the key area for recovering pins you forgot to save. Here, you can scroll through and rediscover ideas you looked at earlier, like recipes, home decor inspiration, or project tutorials. From this list, you can now click any pin to open it, save it to a board so you don't lose it again, or use it to fine-tune what Pinterest recommends to you in the future. It's a simple way to retrace your steps and make sure great ideas don't slip away.